biggest trains in the world. Right. Oh God! I move this train is going slow. Let's watch them. This is a slow-moving freight train. M&M's inside that car and a baggage car. Supposed to be a Rio Grande Meadow. Come on. Family. Guys, I need to set up the train. My train literally just came. My military train literally came off the tracks. And I don't even know why it did. I need a perfect reason why it just came off the tracks. Oh, I thought I wasn't recording, because last time I wasn't even recording. That's stupid that I wasn't. Oh, come on. There we go. We got a train question. A question. Alright. That's simple enough. We are getting rid of these passenger cars now at the end. We are getting rid of these passenger cars, like the back, even the back. Oh, come on! Now this train wants to derail after my other train just derailed. And M&M's are everywhere. And where the M&M pile is, that's where the silver car was. There. We got some, like, boxes, Nerf guns. Like Nerf sports, Nerf guns, Nerf bullets, Nerf things, and everything. Got some trailers. Those two are full of, like, food. That one's full of, like, powertrain sets. That one's full of M&Ms. And this train it's just a heritage train. Oh, come on. Right. Ah! Right, this train's pushing. This train's pushing. That train's pushing there. Model train. Oh my God. This is a really long train. A really long train. Hey, look, a heritage unit as a DPU. The military heritage unit is a DPU today. He's doing some maintenance. He's doing some switching. Is that locomotive? What's that green stuff? I told you before M&M's. You just want to guess again. What it is? This is a really long train. Like, this train is severe. Let me go and zoom. This train track. Let's see how long it is. My gosh, that is long. One of the longest 2.0 trains. Why is it every time I'm trying to show off on my videos, but there ends up being a big fail? Why is that? I'm following the caboose. The caboose is one of my rarest trains. That's not the caboose. There it is. It's in the sun. Once again. I followed it through the entire circle. Where is it? There it is. That's a long train. Like, this is a very long train. You know why I need an engine right there? Because usually the train won't be moving, but look. See, the train is on. Wait. That locomotive and that locomotive, they're both, like, the blue unit is leading, but this unit is pushing. It's pushing the train. It's pushing the train because this blue unit is actually losing its battery a little bit. CD helmet. It's gonna be funny. Oh, yeah, funny joke, I guess. You're gonna have no idea what's gonna show up. I'm assuming this train. Why isn't this train going that fast? There. I'm gonna eat the M&Ms. It arrived at the rail yard. A few hours later. Eat my M&Ms. Oh my god. Ew. Has some hair in it. That's gross. No, on it. Alright, I'm gonna show you what that camera smashing down, like turned around. This is a carpet. Bye.